Today we are doing what, Georgie boy? We have got some carbureted Nicky carbs that we just pulled one down, and now we're just going to try and clean it up, put it back together. Manifold. I have the 13B manifold here. Georgie's helping me today. 13B manifold here. The bigger carb sits on the outside, and I just drill these holes and tap these other ones so we could put the other Nicky on there. The holes are all the same in the middle, just in case the other ones looks fucking something's wrong with it. It's sort of where we're at, Georgie? So we'll just crack into it and just put it back together and see what happens.